How to program the Arduino. Once you understand how the grammar of a language works, it is easy to look up words and make your own sentences. Similarly, once you understand how to format Arduino, you have the ability to find the words or phrases you need to build programs. This is the software component of this course. In this episode, you will learn how to run, so write, upload, and troubleshoot a program in Arduino, the basic components of an Arduino program, and where to go to find more information. Unplug your board if it is currently connected to your computer and set up the circuit on your board. Remember that the longer end goes to the positive side and the shorter end of the LED goes to ground. When everything looks right, then plug in the board again. Once again, we are going to open Arduino. If the program is still running from before, your light should already be lighting up. If not, once again, open the Blink example found under File, Example, Basics. Now let's go through this program to see how it leads to what we are seeing. These double slashes indicate commenting. These notes are for you. It is important to comment your code so that you can go back immediately and understand it or identify changes quickly at a later date. The program is not affected by comments in any way. In this example, you can see that the comments have been written to help you understand better what is going on in each line of the code. The first function we'll look at is pin mode. This is where you identify the pin you are using for a particular function, in this case, number 13. In the second space, you tell the pin whether it should act as an input or an output. We will discuss inputs and outputs more in the next chapter. Setup is used at the beginning of a program and only runs once unless the board is reset. Loop is used in conjunction with setup, and this is the function that creates a continuous loop so your code can keep running. Digital write is telling the Arduino how much voltage pin 13 should receive. In this case, digital write is saying that pin 13 should receive 5 volts. When it says low, this means that the pin is receiving 0 volts and the light does not light up. The delay tells the program to pause, in this case for 1 second. So after the initial setup, this loop of high voltage, 1 second, and low voltage, 1 second, is continuing, causing the blinking that you see. If you wanted, you could try adjusting the on and off times of the light to create a unique blinking pattern, such as a heartbeat or the beat of a song. Not all programs will use these same functions. This example is just meant to give you a basic understanding of how programs are made. Now, delete a semicolon in your code and try uploading it. You'll see that the program is sending you an error message and is unable to upload your changes to the existing program. If you look at the terminal down below, you'll notice that Arduino tells you what line your error is in and tells you why the code is not working. You can use this information to try and fix the code or research it further online simply by searching the message you are receiving. To recap, in this chapter you've learned how to run, so write, upload, and troubleshoot a basic program in Arduino, and the basic components of an Arduino program.